today we're turning into everybody's favorite Disney BFF, Daisy Duck. Oh, I can't wait. I absolutely love Daisy. She is iconic. Now today's look is special because it is in collaboration with LavenderHoney. Make sure you go check out her video too because she will be turning into Minnie Mouse. That's right, it's a bestie collab. Disney Besties for life. I absolutely can't wait to see her video and I know you guys are gonna love it too. It'll be linked down below. Alright, now before we get started, you guys know the drill. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button because we are on the road to what? 100K. Absolutely! Alright, let's get into it. Hey guys, so we're going to start out with our face makeup already done. I've done my concealer, my powders, put some base on my eyes, and we're just going to start out with the eyes. For the eyes, we're going to be using the Lizzie McGuire What Dreams Are Made Of palette from Colourpop, and we're also going to be using my cosplay palette, which you guys know I am obsessed with. First, we're going to start out with this tan color from What Dreams Are Made Of, and we're going to put that right underneath our brow bone. Next, we're going to grab a little tiny brush and we're going to go into my cosplay palette and grab this dark purple, and we are going to create a dark line starting from here and going out here, making a triangular wing shape. Go back in with the original brush and blend it out a little bit. Grab that tiny brush again. We're going to grab this sparkly purple and we're going to put it in a corner. Drag it underneath your eye. Now we're going to take some concealer, put a little bit on a brush, open our eye so we can see how far out we need to put it, and do that. Grab this pink color from the cosplay palette and we're going to put that on our lid right by that outer corner. Go into the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. Grab the color Outfit Rememberer right there. It's a pretty light pink, and we're going to put that all over the rest of our lid. We are going to go in with a white eyeliner pencil, and we're going to put dots all at the top. Go in with a tiny brush and some white face paint because she's a cartoon character, and y'all know what we do with cartoon characters. We waterline their eyes with white face paint. Now just line your eyes as normal. I am currently out of my black Colourpop liner, so I'm going to use blue liner. You can use blue or black. Blue's kind of a plus though. This is a really dark blue. It comes off looking near black, and blue brings out brown eyes, so it works for me. But you use an eyeliner that works with your heart. Use mascara like normal. I did my lashes off camera. They are from a brand called Pallete Lashes. She is new, black owned, and I love her lashes as well. So I am so glad that I got to wear them for this look because they're just as dramatic as Daisy is. Now it's time to do our face. For the face, I kind of want a little bit of a white base so the colors pop a little bit more. So I'll be using my white face paint and a sponge and kind of just getting it up in there and just patting my face. There we go. I know this looks crazy, but I promise you it's gonna look nice. I promise you. I'm gonna go into my Tiana blush and bronzer palette, and I am going to grab this Ashidanza bronzer and mix it with this New Orleans bronzer, and I'm going to lightly put that right where my bronzer would be. Next, I am going to go inside of my cosplay palette and I am going to grab this beautiful gold color and I am going to go right on top of that line with it. And then we're going to go on the nose. We're going to take both of the Lizzie McGuire collection blushes. We're going to take your Magnifique and Delicious. Taking your Magnifique first, I'm going to just take a little bit on my finger and put it right above where we put that yellow, I'm going to continue to put it right above where we put that yellow, blending it in with the yellow. We're going to take Delicious and go right on top of that. I'm going to take a smaller brush, go back into that bronzer, and we are just going to bronze up here. We are first going to line with Espresso, which is a NYX lip liner. We're going to go in with Bikini Bottom from the Sophia collection with Colourpop. Go back into your cosplay palette, or my cosplay palette, and we are going to grab this gold. And just going to grab our Beauty Supply lip gloss. Y'all remember the lip gloss song? My lip gloss be popping. My lip gloss is cool. This is how this lip gloss makes me feel every single time. Finally, no look by Naturally Colorful Babe would be complete without some glitter. Thankfully, I have this gold glitter from the Anna collection with Colourpop. And we are going to just put a little bit of that on our nose and right beneath our blush. Just a little bit goes a long way. Do not overdo the glitter. So many people feel like they can't wear glitter. It's because so many people overdo glitter. You do not have to overdo glitter. You just need a little dab, because a little dab will do you, boo. Now it's time for wig and outfit. And there you have it. I think I look like a fabulous Daisy Duck. I've got on my nice puffy sleeve shirt, cute white skirt, and I absolutely love this cosplay. This was so much fun to do. This was so cool, and you all know that Daisy is such a baddie. I'm obsessed. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so that you can make sure to see all of the cute pictures of this look and outfit together and styled. It's gonna look amazing. I hope you guys tune in next week, because on Wednesday I will be spilling the tea on morning routines, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you've been wondering about the morning routine of a cosplayer, a full-time content creator, or just someone who has been trying to figure out how to make a morning routine work, then definitely stay tuned for that video next Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday, and don't forget to check out LavenderHoney's video in the description box. I will see you guys next time. Bye!